Baby, sold out dates, cash every day. I got you a mace, I light up blue rays. This cheat on my pet, the condo a cage. Addicted to sex, I gotta get laid. My jacket off white, don't mean that it's beige. I clean up real nice, I don't got a maid. Her ape in the night, I'm still.
Have one of your friends start up the dead carrier setup mission in Act 1 in their facility, and then make sure that the clothing is from selection and that team balancing is off so that you can join each other's teams. So now your friend, the host, he has to join the team without the paramedic outfit, and you have to join his team, the one that has the paramedic gear and all that stuff. You can actually switch colors. You can go from green to blue, doesn't matter. Just select one like I did. And once you guys are ready, just ready up so the mission can start. And there's one little thing you gotta do first. This is a different glitch than the one that was out last year when the facilities came out. So it's nothing similar as it was before, where you had to join an apartment or something and then change something on your outfit. It's much different. Right here, when you step into the lobby, you'll see that you actually have a mini map and you can switch weapons, all that. So you're in the mode where you're not glitched out, and this is not what you want. So you want to actually glitch your character out so that you don't see a mini map, or so you can't switch weapons. So you gotta fail the mission by shooting the ambulance. That's like the quickest way to fail the mission. And once that says failed, your friend has to press continue, but you can't press anything at all. And then once it says continue next to your friend's gamer tag, don't press anything and just wait until the screen changes. So right here you're gonna see that it's gonna change from like the screen to something that says downloading. Okay, so in the bottom it said downloading, and now you have to actually disconnect your controller. So make sure your controller was disconnected around the time when you saw downloading at the bottom of the screen. Right here you have to wait until your friend tells you that you spawn back in. So you just spawn in and you see that you don't have a mini map, you can't switch weapons, none of that. You can't pull out the interaction menu, and it's all weird like this. Okay, so you did the glitch correctly. Now you gotta make your way to the nearest ammunition store, and just I added the text so like people can easily follow along the video, because I feel like if you add text in the voiceover, it's perfect. So now don't mind my driving because that shit sucks. But make your way all the way to the ammunition store, the nearest one next to you. Make sure before you start the mission that you know where your ammunition store is at, the nearest one, so like you don't have to drive around too long. And once you're in front of the ammunition store, your friend actually has to quit the app. So around right here, your friend has to leave the game or just exit his app and reset his game. And once he does that, you have to walk into the ammunition store and then go to the accessories right here and purchase and equip the LCD earpiece. Once you have that purchased and equipped, and go outside and wait until he invites you to a game. He has to start up GTA again and then get into a public lobby or any session and invite you to that session so that you can save your outfit. That's the only way you can do it. So right here I'm just chilling, and I just got an invite. Okay, so I'm just gonna accept it, and you're gonna get a black screen, so just accept that too. Don't press B on that, because if you don't accept that, he's gonna have to reset his game and then redo that and invite you again, because it'll mess up the actual invites. Okay, so now you're just loading. Alright, so we're back. If you enjoyed this video, please, if this helped you out, like and comment on this video and subscribe to my channel if you want. You don't have to, but it really helps me out. Also, I'll be posting more videos soon, so keep an eye out for that. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.